Welcome to the world of interactive displays. As an educator, you know how important it is to accurately assess and evaluate your students' performance. And with interactive displays, you can do just that. Interactive displays are a great way to engage students and make learning fun. With interactive displays, you can create interactive games, quizzes, and activities that are sure to keep your students engaged. Interactive displays also allow you to track student progress and performance. You can easily view student performance data in real time and make changes to your lesson plans accordingly. Interactive displays are also a great way to encourage collaboration among students. With interactive displays, you can create group projects and activities that foster teamwork and communication. Interactive displays are also a great way to save time and money. With interactive displays, you can quickly and easily create and share content with your students. Interactive displays are also a great way to keep your students motivated. With interactive displays, you can give your students rewards and recognition for their hard work. Interactive displays are also a great way to measure student success. With interactive displays, you can easily track student performance over time and make sure that they are meeting their goals. So, if you're looking for a way to assess and evaluate your students' performance, interactive displays are the perfect solution. With interactive displays, you can create an engaging learning environment that is sure to keep your students motivated and on track. So, what are you waiting for? Get started with interactive displays today and see the difference it can make in your classroom.